Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Dodge Caravan throttle body. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a wrench, and a specialized throttle body cleaner. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. Next, locate the throttle body. It's usually found between the air intake and the engine. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe cleaning process. Now, let's move on to the cleaning itself. Carefully remove the air intake hose and any electrical connectors attached to the throttle body. It's crucial to spray the throttle body cleaner onto a clean cloth first, rather than directly into the unit. Then, gently wipe away any carbon deposits and grime from the butterfly valve and the surrounding housing. Pay close attention to the edges for thorough cleaning. For a deeper clean, use a soft brush to reach any stubborn areas, ensuring all carbon residue is completely gone. Once clean, take a moment to inspect the throttle body for any signs of damage or excessive wear that might require further attention. Finally, carefully reattach all components, making sure the air intake hose is secure and all electrical connectors are firmly in place. Double-check everything. After reassembling everything, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it idle for a few minutes. This allows the vehicle's computer to reset and adapt to the newly cleaned throttle body. You might notice smoother idling and improved acceleration. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Regular cleaning helps maintain optimal engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.